Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Travel Soul IJB. This is your friend Indrajit Banerjee. I hope all of you are doing great. So today is Saturday 25th of June. Today I could not go for any morning breakfast ride because none of my biker friends were available. So tomorrow we have a plan though. But today the plan is evening around 5 o'clock we would be going to the beach, Uthandi Beach, sit for a while, have some tea, biscuits and all. And then we would head straight to the Iskon Temple in Chennai. It's been quite long since I visited the Iskon Temple, so I wanted to visit the temple once. So I'll keep you all posted, so stay tuned. Alright friends, so it's 5 o'clock almost in the evening and we are starting. So since it's Saturday evening and it was a bit sunny till some time back, so I did not have any enthusiasm to take my bike, so we are going in our friend's car. So yet again the plan is same. We are going to Uthandi Beach. Maybe we'll sit there for some time, have tea and all, and then we'll head to Iskon Temple and maybe have some snacks, visit the temple first, then have some snacks, and yeah, that is pretty much the plan right now. So I'll keep you posted and you guys stay tuned. Okay friends, so we have started for Uthandi Beach. So we are going to take a left from Sholinganallur and then take the ECR link road. The weather is nice now, but when I came down from my house it was still sunny, so I did not want to take my bike. It's Saturday evening and the traffic is really high. I mean, doesn't look like a Saturday evening at all. So we have reached the ECR link road. There was a lot of traffic in the Sholinganallur junction. Okay, so we have reached Uthandi Beach. So the next left we need to take. So from Sholinganallur you take right and then straight. So yeah, okay. And this is the road that takes you to the beach. So this is the Uthandi Beach. So we are heading towards the beach right now. Generally there is not this much crowd, but I'm not sure, maybe it's Saturday, that's why. So this is the only beach that I know in Chennai which have benches and all where you can sit. I don't know whether there are any other such beaches in Chennai. They're a nice place. I mean, in the evening you can come sit here, spend some time with your family. It's generally not this crowded. I'm not sure why it is so crowded today, but it is definitely a beach that you can come to over the weekend. Okay, so we stayed here for around 10-15 minutes and now we would be heading to some cafe. Which cafe, it's not decided yet, so you stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. I'll let you know which cafe we are heading to. So maybe we'll sit there, have a cup of coffee, some snacks and all, and then we would go to Iskon Temple. So that is the plan right now. Okay, so friends, mostly we are heading towards Writers Cafe on the ECR. So we have Writers Cafe in near Taramani also. I forgot the name of the place, Taramani. So yeah, we have one in Taramani and one in ECR. So we are heading towards that cafe right now. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are not going to Writers Cafe because there is apparently no Writers Cafe on the ECR. But there is one gossip bistro that we found out and we are going there. So maybe we are looking for some tea, coffee and snacks. So let's see. Okay, so we have ordered some chicken soup, garlic bread, pastry and some mojitos. The cake has come and it is looking really nice. I'm eagerly waiting for the soup and the garlic bread to come. It's a pretty decent cafe. It's a very nice cafe. So if you're on the way to Mahabalipuram or Pondicherry, you can stop here. I mean, it's a bistro. It's really nice. The ambience is also really good here. So basically chocolate brownie, they call it mud cake. So this is the mint mojito. It looks really nice, really tasty. It's a really awesome. The second plate of garlic breads that we have ordered. So nice. Okay, so this is the chicken soup. It looks really tasty. Alright, so snacks and all are complete and now it's 7:45 right now. So mostly we will be heading towards Iskon. We will check. I'll keep you posted. If there is any change in the plan, I'll let you know. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so on the left hand side is the entrance, the road that will take you to the temple. Okay, so finally we have come to Iskon Temple. I believe the temple is open and I can see a lot of cars in the parking lot. So yeah, it's quite crowded today. So this is how the temple is looking right now. I just love the color of the temple. I just really love it. I'm coming here after 2019, so after a gap of 3 years I'm visiting the temple. I used to come here quite often. In the evening when you come here, it's the pleasant weather, the atmosphere here, it's just awesome. So you have some restaurants there. So after you visit the temple, you can go there, have some restaurants there, veg restaurants, but the food is really nice. I've been there for many times. So yeah, and this is how the parking lot looks like in Iskon. It's a huge ground where you can keep your car. It's really huge. And this is how the temple looks like at night. I wish I could go inside to show you the temple, but due to some circumstances I need to rush home now. So maybe yeah, I'll catch you up guys in the next vlog. Tomorrow 4:45 in the morning we are planning to go for a breakfast ride, so I hope I'll catch you up there. So till then, have a good night, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next vlog. So bye bye.